Hey everybody, it's Anna, and I decided I would go ahead and make a video tutorial on how to forward your new personal domain to your Plexus Products domain name. The first thing that you're going to want to do, I use GoDaddy. It's just the one I'm most familiar with. I really like it, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to use GoDaddy. There are a few other options out there, but this is what I'm going to use. So the first thing you're going to want to do is think of a domain name, obviously, and then you're going to want to go to www.godaddy.com, and then it's very simple. You're just going to hit here where you want to search for the domain name, and you're going to need to make sure that the domain name is not already being used by another person. So I already have a domain name, but I'm going to just enter my one I have as an example. So what I did when I bought mine is I went to healthyoucando.com, okay? And then I went over here and hit search domain, which it's going to tell me that it's taken because I have already bought it. But you're just going to go through here and put your different domain names in and see if it's going to find it. See, it says that healthyoucando.com is not available. That's because I already own that. You'll see down here that it does say .net and .org. Those are available. You want to try to stick with .com if you can, just because that's what everyone is most familiar with. So if it's already taken, then just figure out a different name, think of something else, add numbers, or whatever you want to do. So after that, it's pretty straightforward. You can purchase, put in your contact information, and all that. Okay, so after you have your domain name available, it's going to pop up and it's going to say account. You're going to log in, you're going to make a new account. So I already have my account open over here, and it's going to come up with a home page here and for your account. So I'm just going to go and hit on domains. It's going to have a list of what you have. And I'm going to hit domains, and then I'm going to go over here and hit launch. Hopefully the internet's not too slow today, so it won't take forever for me to do this for you. Okay, so over here I have my domain names, and I have one domain name, healthyoucando.com. So I'm going to click on that, and if you have multiple domain names, just click on whichever one you want to be your forwarding one. And sorry, our internet is really slow today. Not sure why. Has its days. I guess everybody's does. Okay, so after it loads, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to see a bunch of weird stuff. And if you're not familiar with computer lingo, don't let this freak you out, because I don't even know what all of these means. What you're going to be looking for is the thing that says forwarding. And it's going to be right here where it says forwarding. And then I already have my forwarding address set up. But when you first buy your domain name, this is going to be blank, I think is what it did. So you're going to go on manage, or if you're setting it up, it might just say edit or add a forwarding address, but either way, you're going to click on that. And then it's going to come up with this. And obviously, I already have it filled in because I've already done this, but this is going to be blank. So you're probably going to have a button down here that says add forwarding or update forwarding or something like that. So what you're going to want to do, say this is empty right here. You're going to want to open up your Plexus website. Mine is annawebster.myplexusproducts.com. And I don't know if you guys read Kristen's post a few days ago about making it go to the products and not the opportunity. If you want to send people to the products page, make sure it says myplexusproducts.com, not myplexusopportunity. This will take them directly to the products page. So all you're going to do is you're going to copy your address up here. If you remember it, you don't have to go to the page and type it in, but you can type it in here. Then all you're going to do is, actually you want to hit update forwarding first. Sorry about that. So all you're going to do is here it's going to be empty, and it's going to have http:// that's going to be what you want, and then you're just going to put your a new address in here. So you'd be Command V on a Mac or Control V on a Windows, and make sure it says 301 permanent. Honestly, I'm not sure what 302 temporary means. You want this to be permanent, so that's how I decided. That's what I wanted. And then you're going to hit update or whatever it is, and then exit out of that. And then this will show up here. You're going to hit save, but since I didn't do any changes, then it's going to be fine the way it is. So it takes about an hour or so for it to, connect with the website and all that. But after that, you should be good to go. And now, if I wanted to search, because I have mine set up, instead of annawebster.myplexusproducts.com, you go to Health You Can Do or whatever your domain name is, and it will take you to the My Plexus Products page. But if people type in your private domain name, it will come to this page. So I hope that was helpful.